Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a common car issue that many drivers might face: the symptoms of a bad accelerator pedal position sensor. What does the accelerator pedal position sensor do? The APPS measures the position of the gas pedal as you press it. This data is sent to the ECM, which then commands the electronic throttle body to open and allow air into the engine. The first symptoms is check engine light. Here are some common codes that may pop up. You can check these codes for free at most auto parts stores, or you can grab the scanner I use. It's linked in the description below. The second symptoms is hesitation when accelerating. Have you ever pressed the gas pedal and your car felt like it was taking its sweet time to move? This hesitation is often due to the accelerator pedal position sensor not properly detecting the pedal's position. The ECM doesn't know how much air to let into the engine, so the car stumbles or delays when you try to accelerate. The third symptoms is poor acceleration. A failing accelerator pedal position sensor can also cause poor acceleration. You'll notice your car feels sluggish and doesn't respond the way it used to. Even if you floor the gas pedal, it won't give you the power you expect. This happens because the ECM isn't receiving the right signal to adjust the throttle plate, leaving your engine starved for air and power. The fourth symptoms is limp mode. Your car might activate limp mode as a safety measure. It's a built-in feature that limits your car's speed and RPM to prevent damage when something is wrong. In limp mode, you will feel your car acceleration will be drastically reduced, RPM and speed are capped. You'll likely be stuck in second or third gear. This happens because the ECM isn't getting accurate data from the sensor. Limp mode is there to protect both you and your vehicle. The fifth symptoms is no response from the gas pedal. When the accelerator pedal position sensor completely fails, the ECM gets no signal at all. As a result, the throttle body won't open, and your car won't respond when you press the gas pedal. This can be extremely dangerous, especially if it happens while you're driving. You'd need to pull over and call for assistance, which is why it's so important to address the issue early. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next video.